Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Capital One 360 for budget to invest workflow step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab in the main menu. Select 360 checking or 360 savings based on your preference. Review the account overview to ensure you understand your current balance. Click on the Manage option next to your selected account. Find the option for transfers in the drop-down menu. Choose the option to set up a recurring transfer. Enter the amount you want to allocate for your budget. Select the frequency for your transfer, such as weekly or monthly. Designate the starting date for the transfer to begin. Next, specify the destination account for your investments. If necessary, set up a new investment account if you don't already have one. Once all details are filled in, review your selections for accuracy. Confirm the transfer setup by clicking the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation of the scheduled transfers. Now, navigate to your investment platform to align your budget. Link your Capital One account with your investment platform if required. Once linked, monitor your transfers to ensure they align with your goals. Periodically review your budget and investment performance. Adjust your transfer amounts as needed to meet your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.